Good morning, grade 8. Now let's do question number 2, okay, related to percentage bar graph 11.3. Now see, this is reading the graph or observing the graph and answering the questions. 5 questions are there. We will do it one by one. Now observe the graph and answer the questions. Let us see what the first question is. State the type of bar graph. Now look very carefully. This is 100 units and all the bars are of 100 units. This itself indicates it is percentage bar graph. As well as look at the constituents. In one bar there are two constituents. So this is subdivided bar graph into which the data is converted into percentage and therefore this is percentage bar graph. So first answer is percentage bar graph. Now how much percentage is the tur production to total production in Ajita's farm? Now look at this graph very carefully. This is your y-axis, this is your x-axis. On x-axis you have 4 names: Ajita, Yash, Ravi and Sudha. Now blue color indicates production of tur and white color indicates production of gram. So this is gram and this is tur for everybody. Scale you can see 1 centimeter is 10%. Now first of all, when read the graph and answer the question is there, and if it is percentage bar graph, first students what you should do is look for Ajita. Now blue indicates production of tur, so this from here to here is 60, so write here 60. This is for your information. This we have written 60 over here. Now this total is 100. If this is 60, from this white part will be 40. So you have to write this is 40. Are you understanding me? Now this is 50. So right here this is 50. If this is 50, this also will be 50 because 50 plus 50 will be 100. Now look at this Ravi's part. Here this is 70. So you can write here 70. Alright. And 100 minus 70, that means this will be 30. Are you understanding me, everybody? This is 40. I am writing little horizontally. And 100 minus 40, that means this will be 60. First do this. And now it will be very easy to answer the question. See now, how much percent is the tur production to total production in Ajita's farm? Ajita's is over here. How much is tur? Tur means which? Blue color. Look over here, blue color, how much percent it is? So first answer is 60% to the total production. 60% is tur in Ajita's farm. Look at second question. Third question. Compare the production of gram. Gram means which? White color. Compare the production of gram in the farms of Yash and Ravi. See, this is Yash and this is Ravi. Look, compare. Compare the production of the gram in the farms of Yash and Ravi and state whose percentage of production is more and by how much. They have asked for gram, Yash and Ravi. So, gram production for Yash is 50% and here it is 30%. Alright. Now whose production is more and by how much? So naturally this is 50 and this is 30. So it's but obvious that Yash's production of gram is more. And by how much? This is 50 and this is 30. So subtract 50 minus 30 is 20. So Yash's production of gram is 20% more compared to Ravi. Or you can say Ravi's production of gram is less by 20% than Yash. Either say he is more by 20 or you say he is less by 20. Is this clear? Now fourth question you see, whose percentage production of tur is the least? Now look at the bar graph and color. Tur means blue color, which is less, you can immediately see over here. This is the least production, 40 of tur. And whose it is? It is Sudha's. So you can write Sudha's production of tur is the least. Now look at the fifth question. State production percentages of tur and gram in Sudha's farm. See, because we have done it is very easy for us. Production percentage. This is Sudha. So production percentage for tur is 40% and that for gram is 60%. Is this clear, everybody? You have to write down all the answers. You may pause the video or play again, listen carefully and then write it down. Is this clear? Okay. Have you understood how to write the answers or read the this graph? This is a very scoring question and you should not miss out. Alright. So that's all for today, students. You are going to Write these questions, observe the graph and write the answers in your notebook very neatly. Okay. So that's all for today from my side. Thank you.